bought this corded electric single stage snowblower from Canadian Tire for 200 bucks because the biggest complaint about my two-stage system with the batteries is that after the batteries die, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna get new batteries? It's so expensive to change. So we're gonna try to fix that problem because this is corded. Then a regular one like this, single stage with batteries, we saw something similar for about $600 at Home Hardware. So you'll be saving about $400 if this thing ends up working as well as the other one. Let's hope. Maybe it'll last longer because it's corded. You don't have to worry about batteries. All I have is gardening scissors today. I don't know where the rest of my stuff went. It's pretty lightweight. I could carry it all by myself and lift it up by myself. So let's get it on the ground, pull everything out and see what's inside. Do I lift it out or do I just cut the side of the box open? Oh, it's pretty light. All right. Oh, all in one piece. That's nice. Kind of comes together like every other corded cheap power tool, like the what's it called? Tiller and the dethatcher. Simple design. Easy to set up, probably easy to fix and replace parts if we have to. So we got this cool thing here that attaches to this handle so we can change the direction of the chute while snow blowing. Now that that's tightened up. Okay, so we manually have to change the angle, which is fine, and then to change this we twist it. Pretty reasonable for this cost. Oh, we have a thing that we can loosen here to make it easier. Let's check out the auger. Is it heavy duty or is it pretty weak sauce? Well, it looks like first things first, it has a light, and this auger looks very, very light and bendable. It looks like if we do something wrong, it is going to never financially recover from the damage. So I am a little worried about that. Definitely lighter duty looking than what we saw at Home Hardware. But you know, 200 bucks, just take care of it. Maybe it'll work out. Get the snow right when it falls. Let's take the plastic off and see if it starts up. And then it does have a helpline. It says complain here before anywhere else. So do not return to store. You will not return it. If it dies, it dies. Where's this over here? All right, so it's fully assembled. Pretty lightweight, and just pick it up like pretty easily. Let's see how it turns. Not pretty, but it works. Just changes angles pretty easily too. And let's start it up and see if it goes. Let's use our on and off button. All right, we got it plugged in. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty loud. I think it'll work, I guess. Wish me luck. Oh, there we go. All right, and I guess the trickiest part is going to see how we wrangle this cord while blowing snow. We got it plugged into the house right there. And we need to move all this snow. It's like a 4-car garage right here because I need to use that to get into cars. So let's bring it all the way over here. And let's get enough cord. Okay, it's already stuck under my car. I can see how this is kind of annoying. Oh, we got a light too. Well, it kind of worked. So let's do one more strip and then start going. I'll bring this cable on this side so I don't run over it. This is not self-propelled. Oh, pretty clean right down to the bottom. Okay, now let's go. I don't think any snow has got to there yet, but not the worst. You just got to plan out your route of attack. It's kind of like using an electric dethatcher or whatever. I got a bad back, I got sciatica, so I'm not shoveling anything by hand this year. It's actually working pretty well. I'm just going to make sure I don't actually ram the auger into the curb, because I did that and broke a snowblower a couple years ago. And I'm not really using the wheels. I'm kind of just pulling it back and using it as a shovel, which I think is fair. All right, now the sidewalk time. Let's see if we can turn this while pushing. See how hard that is. We'll see if we can aim it to the right. Not the hardest thing to operate. All right, let's get all the sidewalk stuff off. Oh, look like it struggled there for a second. Turn it around this way. Wrangle the cord is not that hard. Okay, we got one more side to do. Yeah, we can forget about that. Okay, now let's do this part going back and forth, since you can go both ways. We'll see how much quicker that is, instead of just going the one way, back, 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 which actually looks like it did a great job. And we'll just shoot, I guess, forward. Move the cable over. We should be good to go again. Looks like it is struggling a bit once it gets piled up, but I mean, so far for 200 bucks, considering how cheap that is compared to other snow shovels or whatever. And then you know this one's not going to die from batteries, it might just die from the motor over here. I think it's got a 1-year warranty on it. So far so good, I'm impressed. You got a wrangle cord, but at least then you're never worried about batteries going bad. Honestly, don't hate it one bit. I'm shocked. And it's not as loud as I thought either. Well, dang, overall, I think this thing did a pretty good job of getting everything done. Like, the blades don't look bent or anything. It's just these thin metal things with this rubber here. But it actually did a pretty good job. And I don't have to shovel this by hand because I have a bad back. The battery's never going to die over time because I have a cord. I can change this and it's got a light, not too loud. Would highly recommend picking one of these up if you just have light duty snow. I'll try it again when we get thicker snow because obviously this was like barely any snow at all. But you know, it worked. It worked. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more snowblower videos. Watch my other snowblower videos. They're linked here at the end at the time card. I got Ego and stuff to look at that. And a Ryobi one. And I got this handle here to carry it back, and you can fold it up. Nice.